Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you unboxing of 50 watt LED light. Now let's open it and I will show you 50 watt LED light. Here you can see this box I buy from daraz.pk. If you want to buy this, link in description, you can check also. Now let's open it. And there is a LED light. Friends, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive my next video. In next video I will make this light. Friend, to operate this I am using 12 watt adapter. Here you can see this 12 watt battery charger. And here you can see the power of LED light. So friends, that's all about the unboxing of 50 watt LED light video. I hope you will enjoy this video. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.